In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a .rar file using WinRAR. A .rar file is a compressed archive, kind of like a digital zip-up bag that bundles multiple files or folders together to save space and keep things organized. Opening it is quick and simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly what to do so you can view what's inside without any confusion. This guide assumes WinRAR is already installed on your Windows computer. If it is, Windows will know how to hand off the file to WinRAR automatically when you open it. Start by locating the .RR file you want to open. Most people will find it in the Downloads folder if it came from the web, but it could be anywhere you saved it. Open File Explorer, browse to that folder, and look for a file that ends with .RAR. You might see the extension directly, or you might recognize the archive by its icon. If you're sorting by type, it will appear as a WinRAR archive or RAR archive. Taking a second to confirm you've selected the correct file helps avoid opening the wrong item, especially if you have several downloads with similar names. Next, right-click the .RAR file and click Open. That's it, no need to extract anything yet. When you choose Open, Windows uses its file association to launch WinRAR and display the archive's contents. You'll see a list of files and folders inside the archive, along with details like names, sizes, and dates. Think of this view as peeking into a box without unpacking it. From here, you can inspect what's included and decide what you want to do next. If your system is already set up to use WinRAR, this should happen instantly. At this point, you're done opening the .rar file. If the WinRAR window appears and shows the contents, you've successfully completed the task. From the open window, you can choose to extract items later, preview certain files, or simply close it if you only needed to check what was inside. A few quick tips to make things smoother. If clicking Open brings up a different program, that just means another app is associated with .rar files on your system. Opening with WinRAR is still fine and will look just like what you saw here. Be cautious with archives from unknown sources, as they can contain unwanted software. Occasionally, an archive may be split into parts. If you see files like name.part1.rr, opening the first part is usually enough for WinRAR to recognize the set. And if an archive is password protected, WinRAR will prompt you when you try to open or extract its contents. That's all there is to it. Go to your .rr file, right-click, choose Open, and you're in.